I went to go pick up the hood, I came back with a wing. This is a different color.
We should put two 12s in the back of the trunk.
Yo, Q, you know what size? What happened? It's okay. So, all right, so right now we're heading over to Evo B's shop. We're about to go pick up the new hood for the GTR. I was about to say I'm very excited. I'm realizing that that's one of my new handles. And I'm very excited. It's becoming my handles. But I am hyped. I am hyped. There's a lot of, I guess you could say this is the official introduction to the GTR build. Because we've mentioned the car a couple times, you guys seen the car, but I've never actually brought it into the channel as a build. So here is the official GTR build into the channel, because that shit's just taking forever, waiting on parts. I mean, I've been waiting on parts to come for this car now, bro, for like 3 months. These rods and pistons are taking forever. But everything is imported from Japan. I'm trying to do this build right. All the other cars, they're not the GTR. So I can rush them, I can throw whatever parts. The GTR build, I need it to be reliable because that car is gonna be getting the shit beat out of it like no tomorrow. It's gonna be a roll race car. So it's gone through a couple transformations. I mean, not for nothing though, I'll tell you, how long have I owned that car? 3 years? It's just about to be 3 years. It's held up phenomenal. I mean, stock motor, car made 960 wheel. For 3 years, it held up great. But, I mean, not all good things last forever. The car was stock. So, it was full bolt-on car, 960 wheel. Eventually, it was gonna give out, and it did. The motor blew. So now I wanna build the motor. The motor is gonna be built for 1,500 horse, but the tranny is built for only 1,200 foot-pounds of torque. And whatever, if I gotta max it out, I'll max it out. If the tranny blows, it blows. If I gotta drop another 20, 30K on a tranny, it is what it is. It's just part of the game. If I start looking at price tags with all the shit that I'm doing, I mean, it wouldn't even be my wife mad anymore. I'm gonna start getting mad. So, you know, you gotta pay to play. That's the price of the game, you know? Oh, this guy almost ran into me right now. But yeah, so let's go to Evo B's. Let's go pick up this hood. I'm gonna show you guys the hood. You guys already saw in the BRZ part 1 video, his shop. So we are gonna be working very closely with this guy. He is gonna be helping us source a lot of our parts, since we are going to be focusing a lot more on the JDM platform. That's where my heart lies. So that's where we are gonna start moving into. And that's it. So see you guys at the shop. All right, let's go inside, let's get my hood, and let's go back to the shop and start prepping it. What's up, what's up?
Okay, what's up, bro?
How are you, all good?
Good.
What up, bro? Yo, is that wing for sale?
Which one?
This one?
The wing?
Yeah.
Yeah.
How much you want for it?
For one car.
For my E36.
This is for Evo.
So.
I don't know if this is gonna fit. From Vic's car?
From Vic's car.
Does it fit?
It fits. I think you said it's a 440 millimeter. Yeah, but I put it on my car just to see how it would look, and I fell in love with how it looks. To see if it fits.
Yeah. I mean, I'm in no rush to put it on my car.
How much does something like that go for? I don't give a shit, bro.
Yeah. I mean, I put it on my car brand new for like a year, less than a year. Yeah. It has some little light scuff here.
You mind if I take it to try it on it?
Of course.
Fire.
Yeah.
I'm gonna throw this in the trunk. Yeah.
Alright, let's go. You want something to put it underneath?
Nah. It's alright.
Sure?
Yeah.
I don't want it to crack though.
Nah, it should be fine.
I have like boxes. I just
Nah.
lift it up.
Don't worry about it. It's good. Go in 5 minutes. The wing is gonna go inside the car though. And for those fenders, I need to know, and for the hoods, if they fit 24s. Because a lot of people are asking me if they fit
You wanna try it?
the new one.
Since you have one.
I'll put the hood on it, on the
Yeah,
new one.
yeah.
But the fenders, let me know.
Yep.
Thank you, bro. I'll
me
see you
know.
later.
See ya. See you later, man.
I'm excited. Okay, so we just picked up the Varus hood for the GTR. I did buy it used. You guys saw it before everybody starts cutting my ass. And I got the Varus swing in the back right now from an Evo 8. You see, when I'm telling you guys I'm an innovator, no tropia, you gotta think about this shit, okay? I got an Evo 8 wing going on my car. Oh, look at that 944. For both. About to see how it fits on the E36. If it fits, I'm buying it, cause it's just some gangster shit. I don't play, bro. We're gonna get shit done. People wanna call it a racer. I mean, you know, I'm not, no bullshit. I'm 50-50 on if it's a racer build right now or not. But I really don't care. I'm having fun with this build. I'm enjoying whatever the hell it is, or whatever. I went to go pick up the hood, I came back with a wing. E36. Full carbon wing. Let's see if it fits. Wow, that's like so perfect. Like fitment is like so perfect. This is off of an Evo 8.
Yo, go stand up front. Look at the front of it.
It's a little extra, but I feel like I like it for what the build is. Little extra.
Tell this man in the comment section that we should put 212s in the back of the trunk,
Yo, Q, get me a
box
Pro.
out the trunk, and make it a really nice audio system. Just imagine, just picture it right here, 212s, nice amp in the middle,
This is garbage.
like the E46 that we used to detail back in the days.
I do remember that one. That was December 2019. Everything's loaded up. Let's go see Fernando. I know you guys love Fernando. Everybody's been asking me for his info, but you know, Ice is around, so I can't give out his info. If anybody wants any interior work, you gotta go through me. I'm a middleman him, because that's my boy. I gotta keep him here. Prime example of why no work gets done here. Everybody's just fucking on the phone, fucking showing videos to each other. Look at them. I could time lapse this probably for 30 minutes, and this is where we're gonna stay. Just like that. I got high insurance, but I'll take your whole fucking shit out looking like a FRS over here. Get the fuck out of my way. There you go. All right, so we just picked up breakfast and we got our beautiful iced lattes and some bagels from my man Vish from Wired Coffee. Only uses the best coffee in town. So right now about to go to Fernando, go drop off this interior. I've been looking at the pictures and the pictures are two completely different colors from the front seats to the back seats. And he's trying to 100% convince me that they're the same colors, which I mean, I don't know. I might be bugging, or he's trying to tell me that the pictures, it's just the picture, but guys, just for my own sanity, I mean, we're about to go see it right now, but look at this. Does this look anywhere near the same colors? This is the color that I chose, and this is the color that he did my seat. Hello?
Dash Roboto, this is Caden.
Hey, how's it going, brother? I'm calling about a 2001 E-Class that you guys have in stock, an E430.
Yeah,
That's still available?
it is.
Do you guys do dealer-to-dealer transactions?
No, we wholesale cars all the time.
Yeah. What's your price on this? Cause I'm interested in purchasing it. I'm gonna have my secretary reach out and get all your wire information, just so we can set this up and get it purchased. I want to buy it. So I'm looking at this 2001 E-Class E430 right here. They want 3Gs. I'm not buying it for myself. I'm actually buying this as a gift for my lawyer. I've been dealing with a case for like the past year and a half, and my lawyer's done such a great job on that case that I want to gift him something. He did give me his E-Class to repair. He's a big fanatic on old school cars, so I'm gonna surprise him with a brand new E-Class. Not brand new, but whatever, you know what I'm saying? His is a 2001. I found another 2001. His is black on black. This one is actually a pretty rare green. It's pretty fire. I think it's pretty nice. Yo.
Good morning.
Good morning. Good morning. Were you sleeping?
Yeah, bro.
My fault. You're off today, President's Day? I need a car to get purchased dealer to dealer from Utah.
Okay.
I'm gonna send you the link. Could you buy it?
And then I know you also need a RAM, but I'm just waiting to find out Laramie because right now, like, I have a guy who sends me specials on Rams,
Okay.
but he only sent me like big horns, like nothing. Like, I'm waiting for him to send me the Laramie.
Yo, if I had told you guys how much this entire interior is costing me, you would never, ever believe me. Every single component of my interior is dropped off to this man right now. And you guys would never believe me what if I told you. I don't even believe I'm getting it done for the price I'm getting it done. Hola. How are you? Oh. Wow, these are the seats? You were right. The color is the light was so bad. How are you? Good? Nice. Oh, you did the back too? No more carbon fiber back? Fuck it. Ah, look at that. That was in the front? Where was this? In the back? Yeah? I like it. We had to keep it because you guys sponsored us. I made sure it got put back on. On the back seat, nice. Yeah, wow. Oh, this is underneath on the dashboard. Oh, that's a screw.
Yeah, the screws there.
Oh, the shift boot, the e-brake. Oh, nice. This is the dash piece. E-brake. Nice.
So missing, I have to do here. So I have to do
This one,
pieces. 1, 2.
this one only the bottom, not this.
Oh, no, that?
No, just this piece. Right? Am I crazy? Is it the whole bottom?
Yeah, I think this one and this one.
Yeah? Just this, I think.
Okay, here, open.
Yeah.
Press here. Yeah, that's
Yeah.
that's gonna be the same.
Oh, the leather. Yeah, you're right. This is a different color. This is the same color?
No,
No?
no.
You did a different color?
Yeah, leave it.
Why? By accident or what?
No more material.
We have to redo it.
Maybe.
No, we have to redo it. It's a different color. You could see it.
Remember, it was black.
Yeah.
Everything. But I put
No, it doesn't look good. For the price I'm paying, bro, I can't be tight. I can be tight, but I can't be tight. Because I know how it goes. Because when people come to me and they want deals and they want discounts and they want cheap work, you know what I'm saying? Like, you gotta get tight about something, you can't get tight. It is what it is, it's just part of the game. I'm not gonna be the customers that I bitch about. You gave me a price, I know what I'm paying for, it is what it is. I'll see you in the morning. Thank you. So I said it at the shop, all right? So it seems like my man Fernando is in high demand because look, we've been here for about 20 minutes. 16 minutes ago, yo, you got an upholstery guy, right? This is my boy's signature auto, Damien. Oh, look at this. Look at what my wife sends me. She's looking to buy $1.6 million condo in Forest Hills. Gorgeous. 1.6 million. It's light. You can go buy that shit right now. cash. Let me call my, hold on a second. Accountant, call my wife. Send the wire for 1.6 million. Buy that apartment, she's bored. Thank you. Done. That's how I get done.
Oh shit.
Let me see how, oh, sorry. Let me see how close it is to Fox Red.
Yeah, that's what I said. Remember
That's why I said what I said about closing out the rear.
I think out of all of my shit boxes, this has to be my favorite shit box. Cause it's a fun car, it's got power, and it's literally something that I don't give a fuck if I crash. I don't care if anything happens to it. I mean, that's the fun thing about having a missile car. This is the missile car. I don't give a shit about this thing. I do care about it. Don't get me wrong. But it's like it's just a fun car. Tranny blows up, who cares? Clutch blows up, who cares? Motor blows up, who cares? Like it's just a fun car. It goes into a wall, you put it into a wall, Z puts it into a wall, who gives a shit? It's just an all-around fun car. We're here to have fun. This is the name of the sport. Yo, Z. Do you know what size? What happened? What's the problem? The radiator broke? You broke it? How? What kind of fucking radiator is even in here? Oh my god, good luck fucking finding this shit. If there's a part number on it, give me the part number so I can send it to Evil B. And the AC condenser. Yo, where'd that putty go? No, that ain't a radiator. Oh wait, no, it's not, because it's not the fucking E36. Did it bend the radiator support? Yeah, it did right there. Don't even put the radiator in. I'm not putting it back in like that. I'm sending it to Amari.
AC works. As you see, I disconnected the one line there and the one line from
So the compressor is good?
I believe the compressor's good. I think it's because you literally have it broken apart on the
Now,
floor right there.
but before he said it wasn't working. The compressor wasn't even connected, remember?
So we have heat.
I should just put the single turbo on this shit from now, right?
Yeah, if you're gonna single turbo it, I would do it now. While we
Now I gotta find a single turbo.
what I would like to do is
We can't use any of those turbos we have in the back?
I can use the, yeah, I need a manifold.
we need a manifold. Boom. See? Perfect. Ready to go. How much?
I just offered him 500. He wants 1,000. I'm the marketplace low ball master. If I go single turbo, I'm chopping up the fucking hood.
No, you're not.
Hell yeah. Everything straight out the fucking hood. All right, guys, so you've seen the progress with the E36. We're making moves. We're thinking about going with a single turbo right now. Maybe I'll put something else in here. I got an S65 that maybe we're gonna put in here. I don't know, we got a lot of shit going on. Like I said in the old videos, everything that gets done right now is on the fly. So, motor's out. I'm gonna start doing the body work inside, prepping the engine bay so we can do a shaved engine bay. But make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and follow the build.